even added a half cup less.
Yeah, it's pretty loose. Just want to mix this while I can.
Look at this bucket.
It's an ant.
Can you see it?
Here, Malachi, do it for a minute.
I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it.
Do it for just a second.
Thing muscles.
Wow.
What are you making?
Jello salad.
I haven't had that for a while.
I love it. I didn't when I was a kid, though.
You didn't?
It was a
That was the
texture
one thing I
weird
liked
thing.
about the other fellowship.
About potlucks.
Yeah, they had Jello salad.
That can be sweet.
I also think that people said it was gross around me, and so then I was like,
Well, it's sweet.
Grossed out.
It's sweet and it's healthy. It's got fruit.
yeah, it's cold too.
Yeah.
It's this hot. It's so nice.
You should try grape.
I've never done it where I made the Jello ahead, but I'm not using Cool Whip, and so that's probably too much in the jar, honestly.
That's what I was just saying.
You can put it in something else.
Well, I've almost got it done, so.
Can I do a little bit, Matt?
Well, I think I got it done now.
Do you want me to take it for a
Holding
minute?
to a peak. No, I got it. But is it?
Go a tiny bit more because I want it on the thick side. Please.
Can I
Oh
do some,
no,
Matt?
what happened to your arm?
Now it's on the thick side.
Can I do some, Matt? No, babe.
Okay, that's good.
Can I do a little bit?
Done right. We don't
Hey.
want to turn it into butter. It happens.
Store-bought doesn't turn into butter.
Yes, it does.
Yeah.
All right. This is 2 pounds of strawberries, half a cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons to a tablespoon of vanilla. Can you go get a box of that gelatin so I can show them what I used?
Sit down.
On the bench. I'm gonna give this a decent stir, and then I'm gonna add in the whipped cream.
I like eating this.
This is the brand that we used in this, and it's strawberry. We also use Simply Mixes, which I'll link below, and I bought both this time. That's what it looks like now. And then I could have put in more cottage cheese, but didn't want to drown out the strawberry flavor. Yep, if Mom can hear you, the camera can hear you. That's right.
Unless you're up against Mom with
Actually, sometimes Mom doesn't hear you, and the camera does.
Yeah.
If you want some now, you can have some now, or you can wait till I get it colder in the fridge. But you need to bring a bowl and a cup, or a bowl and a spoon. So most recipes you'll see for this, they're asking for Cool Whip. We don't eat Cool Whip, so we use real cream. The problem with real cream, which isn't really a problem, is this isn't going to be, thank you, Simeon. This isn't going to be fantastic. You can't wait too long to eat this because the cream will kind of separate and flatten.
I taste it.
Yeah. Double dipping. Ah.
Did I taste it?
Do you like it?
Mama, did I taste a little bit? Mom, can I have my portion of it right now?
Yes. Very good. What I was wanting was fresh strawberry and cream. Oh, you're going for more. Do you want to get a bowl? Okay, go get a bowl. So, that's our fast summer treat. What was that? 5 minutes you think we made it?
No, 1 minute.
1 minute?
I think. I was in the boat kind of 1 minute. And
Set, nope. Yeah, set that down.
it's not right in there.
There you go.
It's just a slime in it.
Sit on the table.
Kind of.
Yeah, they do. They're rotten. Oh, nay. I gave you the lid to this. I need the lid. Can you grab it back? Thank you.
What lid?
Should we make it again soon?
Yeah.
Some of your portion now?
Some of it. Like
Sure.
2 scoops of that.
If we run out, we'll just make more. We have stuff.
I don't really care for the cottage cheese. I like the strawberry taste.
Yeah. But the cottage cheese is your protein and creamy stuff. So we like to...
Jello.
Yeah, yummy. We like to have Jellos, and typically we make our own, but I just wanted the ease of something that was pre-flavored and ready to go. So we've used these off and on over the years, for quite a few years, and we really like them. I'm going to show you a few things that I'm going to have on Instagram for sale if you guys are interested. Well, I'll show you these first. These are already on Instagram. They are cute little jar covers that Lilley made. Most of them are linen. Some of them are linen cotton, the actual fabric. And then it's cotton embroidery floss and cotton lace. But they fit narrow mouth and wide mouth jars, both. So she has a lot of different ones, a lot of different colors. Some of them are linen cotton fabric, and some of them are full linen. But she worked really hard on these, and they're super pretty. They are, here, I'll show you. Like, of course I love purple. Whoop. Whew. So if your jar is not a mason top, but it is, you can look up the dimensions and see if it would fit something. Like, here's one of the children's cups, and you can just cover that. Good idea this time of year. Obviously it's not waterproof, but it would keep flies out of it. They insides are fully lined, so they're very nice, very cute. Okay. Malachi has made a few things as well. I'll start with these large spoons. These are, they're fishing at the pond. If you hear excitement, somebody got something. I haven't measured these yet. They're probably 15, 16 inches long. And these are walnut from our land. These ones just turned out so well. I love walnut grain. These will be $25 in our shop. And then this is a spoon. I believe Malachi made this one. I'm quite certain he did. It doesn't look like Judah's. And this will be $15 in the shop. I will get clarification on what kind of wood this is. I want to vote. It's probably... I'm not going to vote. Oh, you want to show the camera? Can you see it? Oh, no, you lost one. Can you see it now? Black raspberries. Lots of them. You gonna add them to your freezer? Well, thank you. So, she grabbed some of Judah's spoons. He has 4 sizes. And Wisdom did the sanding of these. So, they're splitting the money. But also, he found that he didn't want to make spoons for $10 like he was, because it takes him hours to do it. So the spoons are $15 now. And these 3 are walnut. This one I also have to clarify on. But his spoons are super nice and light and just well made. So hi, Keita. Hi. So I'll get these measured and put on the site as well and find out what that white wood is. It might be pecan, but I'm probably wrong. You got 3. Can't do 3. Come sit. Okay. I'm very biased, but this girl is my favorite. I love her brown eye. She's super cute. Can you see her face good, or is she in focus? So this is Pink. I like her a lot too. And she's a girl. You only brought us girls. This is Blue. Okay, Blue. This is Blue. We call him Little Blue. He was our biggest puppy for a while till Orange stole it. And they're just so sweet. We love them a lot. Okay. We got Momma here.